Rakhe ka Sngi pynneh pynsah ka Mariang lane ka World Environment Day ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo klami chakman ban pynsah priang ka khubor halor ka jingdon kam ban pynneh pynsah ka Mariang da ka bapenlong ka rally da ki bicycle ha ka te ka jingya rally da ki bicycle lai shimbanta da ki khna school ka Alpha ha ka ba ki khna klami ranti ban shimbanta shirham ha ka te ka rally ka bala kot shadu sanpo tam ki bicycle bat ka te ka rally ayo ban sedang nadu ka phalau jong ka school Alpha Theater shadu ka Sericulture Office but 15 part Chaplau School ya ka te ka rally la yo ban penher lama kum ka da ka jing sedang do traffic in charge ka nongpo police station Urubul Ali ha ka jingya don lang ka kong WB bla ka principal jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School lembat kinong hikai.
We from the Alpha School, the teachers and the 50 numbers of students, we are going to take part in the World Environment Day. This is one of the very big program that all over India, not only in India but in the entire world, people are celebrating the Environment Day, because the environment is one of the most important factors to have a good life and safe life, peaceful life in our planet Earth. So we from the Alpha School, Alpha English Higher Secondary School, with the students, we are going to organize a small cycle rally just to bring awareness among the people with the help of the slogans. You can see here, like there are some slogans we have written here, like do not pollute, I will salute, I will respect all the people of the Nongpo area and the entire Riboy district, to see that do not make any pollution in the near the roadside or anywhere in your vicinity of your house or the village. Plus we are taking this as a rally to tell the people that join the race to make the world a better place for everyone to live peacefully here with a neat and clean environment, a healthy environment. Plus cycle rally will also give you an example that it is to maintain your fitness, because to maintain a good environment the fitness is very important. So through this rally we are giving message to the people that let us all together join hand together to protect our environment. So happy World Environment Day to all the people of Meghalaya and all over India. Have a good wishes to all the students who are taking part in this rally, and we also thank all the parents who are present here cooperating in this rally to make this rally a successful, and through them also we can pass this message to the people about our environment, how we can protect our environment. Plus we also thank our police department for cooperating, giving us security for the students, so that through the service road we'll move from school to the Sericulture Office. From the Sericulture Office we'll take a U-turn, and from there we'll move on till DC office. So on this way to cycle riding, our main intention is to give an awareness or the message to the people that let us all together help to keep our environment clean and green. Thank you very much.